What's going on, guys? My name is Rob Lipsett. I'm a fitness coach, a YouTuber and an author from Dublin, Ireland. And today we're going to be talking about my property journey and buying and renovating in Marbella. So let's get started. And as soon as you walk in the door, the first thing you see is the beautiful fireplace from Planika that brings everything together. I purchased this villa and I knew from the get-go it was a renovation project. The original villa was built in the 1960s and it was very old, to say the least. So I wanted to make something clean, modern, simplistic and minimal, and also fresh, new and exciting. One of the issues was there was no chimney, so I had to seek out a solution, and so that's when I found Planika Fires. They have the BEV technology and they could install a fireplace without the need for a chimney, and can also put a TV over it. It's very clean, it doesn't cause any chemical issues, nothing, and the installation was so easy. So I looked at some of the options. We went for the FLA3 and it just fit perfectly, and we went from there. Safe to say the fireplace is the centerpiece of the living room. If you're just gathering around with friends, chilling out, watching a movie, you can do so. The TV is right above it. It's easy to turn on. And also, I was so impressed with how easy the installation was. During the renovation, the team actually came over and fitted it out perfectly. So it was customized to fit the living room perfectly as well. So everything was so easy, straightforward, and it's safe to say the living room would look really empty without it. So after seeing how good the FLA made the living room look, we went back on the website and explored some of the outdoor options. So now we're gonna have a little look outside and see some of the other products that we end up going for. And so here we have two Lighthouse Planika Fireplaces that just tie in everything together so well. When the sun is setting, you're chilling here with some friends, you're drying off, turn these on and it just creates such a good atmosphere. All right, guys, so lastly, we're gonna check out the upstairs terrace, and this might be my favorite Planika product just yet. So let's go check it out. All right, so picture this, the sun setting, you got a group of friends around, you're sipping some wine, you got this guy turned on, creating the perfect ambience ever. And this is the Galio Star, and I think it just ties everything together so good. The matte black looks so clean and modern, and I think it just overall looks amazing. Not only is it so easy to use as well, but you can also kind of use it as a coffee table, rest your drink on it, and everyone can gather around it. So probably my favorite product, to be honest. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video and for checking out my home tour. If you want to take your property to the next level, go check out Planika Fires. They're the best at what they do. Couldn't recommend them enough.